meteorologist Jennifer Perez.
Hi, welcome back on this Tuesday morning. It is gusty out there this morning. Gusts have exceeded 30 to 35 miles per hour, but they will weaken here throughout the morning. We will have some colder air move in today. Today will be the coldest day this week, giving us a break from the snow melt, which is a good thing, but still be mindful of some damp, slick surfaces out there. We will be right back to an unseasonably warm stretch of weather as temperatures continue to climb well above normal and into the 50s by the end of this week. But again, today is a nice little break from that unseasonably warm stretch of weather. And then we are tracking a system on Saturday to bring in widespread rain. And initially, intensities are generally light and not expecting a lot of rain out of it, but for sure will cause some messy conditions. Now, today, we still have some gusty winds in the morning, but they will weaken throughout the course of the morning hours and into the afternoon. Partly cloudy skies expected, and then temperatures trending into the 20s. Our highs have already occurred. There's the frontal boundary that's exiting the eastern UP right now. How high pressure in southern Canada will move through between today and tomorrow, and so we'll generally have some drier conditions, and even for the bulk of this week until that system comes in on Saturday. We did have a little spotty rain and some snow flurries with that frontal boundary, but that's basically diminished. Here's your hour by hour for today. Partly cloudy skies and a prominent north wind flow with speeds of around 5 to about 15 miles per hour extending into the afternoon. And then tomorrow morning, clouds increase. We have a southerly flow. There might be just a few flurries that will skirt right along Lake Superior in the morning hours. This is 7 a.m. But otherwise, that's basically it. We're looking at, again, some partly cloudy skies for tomorrow afternoon and some lighter winds. Tomorrow we'll start to notice that warm up gradually increase, and even more so by the end of this work week. Dry weather also for the most part on Thursday, extending into Friday. So overall, several days of generally drier conditions in regards to precipitation. And temperatures today lower to mid 20s in the afternoon across the north, to the low to mid 30s across the south. Tomorrow morning trending in the 20s. Tomorrow afternoon climbing into the lower to mid 40s across the west end of the UP. So as we progress throughout the remainder of this week, we will continue to notice some significant snow melt for our snow base, as temperatures will trend at about 15 to about 25 degrees above the normal. So we still have a moderate to high risk for dangerously unstable ice conditions developing on interior lakes, the potential of increasing ice jams, increasing water levels along streams and rivers, and low-lying flooding, especially from that snow melt. As far as rainfall for Saturday, we're looking at around 1/4 of an inch of rain, with isolated areas at around 1/2 of an inch of rain. Here's your 7-day forecast. And so Friday night, we start to see some scattered rain showers move in with this system. Here's the system, though. This is Saturday morning. That's our best shot of widespread rain, would be Saturday morning, and then it's more scattered about on and off throughout Saturday afternoon, which is 5 p.m., extending into the evening. Now, behind this system, we will see a